What's happening, y'all? So it's dinner time now, and we're going for some healthier alternatives this week with paprika chicken and some of those vegetables also provided by Woolies, the oven ones. Steel potato, I guess, with carrot and onion. No forks in my kitchen at the moment. What the fuck? So, I don't know what that's about. It's honestly not that bad. It's definitely refreshing. The body's almost, if it had eyebrows, it's almost raising them right now. Let's put it that way. You definitely need the paper towels for these. The paprika. Yeah, it hits, it's good. But what it is anyway, they're about $12.99 I think. So for the sort of roasting portions, so not too bad. No, you're not getting any. Just going with a bit of the thigh, is it? I don't know. Maybe it is. Fuck, that's hot. Fuck. It's pretty good. Yeah. Got salads coming up tomorrow. So baby steps, work towards that. With these kind of fresh vegetables compared to just frozen chips. Which is good. Like, I just don't eat. Yeah, I never get carrots, so. I mean, who buys frozen carrot anyway, right? Like, it's a bit out there. Like, if you're going to be that kind of enthusiastic about being healthy, I mean, shit. Not the frozen carrot, you know what I mean? So. Yeah, don't mind the noise, that's just the old printer going. And the skin is definitely what makes it. It's just about gone. It is gone off that bit. But yeah. So yeah, I might just hold off on the chips and stuff until the weekend. But till then, just try these more healthy options and see if I start feeling any better. And, yeah, I think I'm gonna. You know, sometimes you just got to trust your gut, your body, and all that. I think it's definitely one of them things. Anyway, skin as well. Yeah, good times. All over value, taste, and everything. With the chicken portions and they were both under $20, so that's pretty good, isn't it? That'll feed at least two guys with a relative appetite. Not three though. Not in my house. Not three. So two. So like, yeah. I mean, probably 9.7. It's pretty good value. Like it's gonna shut you up for a little while, isn't it? So anyway, bye for now, and catch you on the next one.